Okay, hello. I'm making this video for my friends on Facebook so that they can learn how to download their photographs and videos and have them backed up onto their computer. So you go to your profile page, you're going to go to your right upper window and click on your account. There'll be a drop down menu. Select settings and privacy, click on that, and then from there click on settings. Select under settings your Facebook information, and you'll see you have the option to download your information right there. Click view, and here you will see that you will have the option to select posts, photos, comments, likes. You can have actually a copy of your friends' stories. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to teach you how to download your photos and videos. So basically it's more of a request from them first. So you select, deselect all, and then specifically click on photos and videos. And then you're going to click on create a file. What's going to happen is Facebook is going to start accumulating that data, and then you know, depending on how much information you have, it'll appear at this location under available copies. Okay? And I got a little impatient and made a request again before I even got the first download. So depending on how long you've been on Facebook, it may take a while for your data to appear. I was on for 11 years and I was pretty active, and I basically uploaded about 75 or 80% of photographs and videos without backing them up. So it's really important for me to back these up and even get an external hard drive. So you need to go back to this area to see if the information is available. So when it's there, you're going to download it again, and it's going to appear in your downloads, assuming that's your operating system. I'm on Linux, so mine appeared in downloads. I created a separate subdirectory called Facebook, and they sent a zip file, and I'm going to click on photos and videos. And what I liked was that they had all of the photographs that I had in albums in separate files, which was perfect for me because it was easier to figure out where everything was. But when you click inside, everything will be numbers, so you have to go in and specifically change the name. So it's going to take a while for you to go through the whole process. I mean, organizing 11 years worth of Facebooking is probably going to take me another 22 if I even have that. But I know, just making funny. I'm making funny. So that's it. I hope this information was helpful to you. After you've selected this, remember to go back to your Facebook and review to see if the available copies are there. I assumed it was going to show up in a Facebook notification, but that wasn't the case in my as I was otherwise proven. But that's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Make sure you thumbs up my Rashologist page, and I'll see ya. Peace.